Hello guys, welcome. We have got the Ninja 400 for you guys today. I'm picking it up from my friend and we're gonna hit the road. We changed the fairings on the Ninja 400. This is not what it looks like. It was green before, but now it's kind of like black and gold, because that's kind of what he was going for. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. And I'll be having more videos of the R3 and the Ninja 400 coming up. That's why I'm picking up this bike as well. And my first impressions, are this bike is not bad at all. It's not bad at all. Like, the Ninja 400 was my first bike. It's pretty great. It's pretty great. It's pretty good. I'm riding the 300 now because the 400 was kind of like expensive, and I don't want to spend too much again on a new bike, like a beginner bike kind of stuff. But let's go ahead and start the bike and hit the road, and I'll give you guys some more insights and stuff like that. But yeah, with his, he doesn't have a stock exhaust anymore. He has the aftermarket exhaust, and he kind of like puts clear clutch on it too. It's kind of dope. But with that, there's also an issue I have to fix with this. The clutch is not really grabbing that good, so I think it's slipping or something like that. But yeah, we have to look into that. But has a clear clutch. This actually looks good now though. I mean, we still have a lot of stuff we will do on it. So yeah, guys, make sure to stay tuned. So yeah, let's hit the road. Hopping on this bike, like it feels the seat. Let's talk about the seat for a minute. The seat feels so strong. It's so strong compared to the R3. But my first impressions on this, it's pretty decent. It's not bad. I like the bike. It looks good. It has good aerodynamics, and all that good stuff. It has a good throttle response too. Has a very good throttle response. It's light as well, but I think the R3 is lighter than it. So yeah, it's a really good bike. And we are gonna hit the road and kind of like talk more about it. It is so nice today though. Such a nice weather. One thing with all these beginner bikes, the one thing I don't like about all these beginner bikes is that the exhaust don't sound good. Like this, I like how it sound. I mean, I don't like how it sounds, but it's still not bad. Look at that. It's still not bad, but I don't like how it sounds. I need that 600 or midweight bike sound. So that's why I kind of don't like how it sounds. How it compares to other bikes, I don't know. I only have knowledge. Oh shit, I didn't buckle my stuff. The brake is good. Look at that response on the brake. Look at that response on the brake. The brake is good, and then got distracted for a minute there. Kinda need a break. I need to tie I didn't buckle my shit. How can I forget that? Uh-oh. Just stay here and get this. That's the thing with his clutch. His clutch is kind of having issues. I gotta set my gears right because I kind of forgot that. So yeah, guys, I mean, oh, it is getting cold. I mean, yeah, guys, I mean, if you're thinking of, getting the Ninja 400, if you want to get that, if you should get that or not, it's alright. It's okay. Don't jump. Let me say something. Guys, what you don't understand is that you have to be comfortable in your riding first, before you tend to, skip the rope or try to impress people. The more you try to impress people, the less you're gonna learn, or the less you're gonna know. As a beginner rider, you're basically looking out for yourself, because if anything happens, you crash or something happens to your bike or anything like that, it's on you. It's on you. It's not on anyone else. So all these guys that think starting on a 1000cc, 600cc, you think 600cc is not much power. The kind of speed you're doing on a 600 is ridiculous. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculously fast. Oh wow, they're doing a checkpoint over there. As a beginner rider, you don't need a 1000cc. You don't need to start on a 1000cc. You need to get experience first. Experience is the best teacher you will ever know. It's the best you could ever know. You can't cheat your way through riding. The more street time you get, the more experience you get. It's just like driving. The only difference is that this is 2 wheels, so you gotta keep that in mind as a beginner rider. Don't let anyone intimidate you. Don't let anything intimidate you as well. Ride to your own comfortability, ride to your own speed, and that's why I don't really do group riding. Or probably, one day maybe, but for now, I don't really do group riding. I just gonna ride alone, because group rides will tend to push your limits, or tempt you to do things you don't want to do, or things you don't plan on doing. But yeah, aside that, these are the things you gotta keep in mind as a beginner rider. I feel more comfortable on this 400 than the 300, because right now I'm still going straight, guys. You know what I mean? I'm still headed straight. But if it's that I was on the 300, you probably see me kind of dancing, or I'll be struggling to keep it straight. It's really nice, Look at that. Look at that. Oh boy. Nice weather. Oh man, that is, guys. Yeah, I'm just getting distracted. This is skipping a lot. I have to fix it. I'm pretty sure his clutch is one out. I don't know if his clutch is one out yet. I hope it's not. But definitely not safe. Definitely not safe. The mirrors on this, the mirrors on this 400, stock mirrors are really helpful, guys. If you're a beginner rider, there's no need of you putting like studs mirrors on your stuff. I know there's no need for that. Back a wave. There's no need for that. For you to put like stud mirrors on your bike, you know. You don't need that. What you need is just the regular mirrors, because this is very helpful. It's very useful. You think it's not, but it is. It is very helpful. It's kind of difficult. It's kind of hard or difficult to kind of like look back. Brother, I know it's not gonna wave. It's kind of difficult to kind of like, you know, check your review. If you're not like kind of turning like this or like this. This also helps eradicate that as a beginner rider, because you haven't pretty much gained your confidence at that time, you know. So little by little, if you kind of like tend to use this, you will gain your confidence. You will gain your confidence, and then you can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want. But you know, as a beginner rider, you will wanna like kind of keep it low, keep it humble. You know, humble beginnings. You're gonna learn a lot. And also, if you wanna ride in group, I did say ride in people in your class. You know, like people that have like 400, I have a 300, 500, 250, even 650s, to be honest. Yeah, because if you ride with people like 1000 people with 1000 cc, you're gonna be struggling. And not only that, you'll be struggling, you'll be pushing yourself to the limit. You'll be pushing yourself to the max. So yeah, better safe than sorry, right? Better safe than sorry. I don't know why this guy is on my ass. I don't know if it's the clutch cable. Could it be? Could it be? Yeah, this thing is flipping bad. We're gonna look into it on Monday. See what's wrong with it. So yeah, guys, in conclusion, Ride to your comfortability. Ride to your comfortability. Take it easy in learning, no rush and all that. As of the Ninja 400, do I recommend it to new beginners? Hell yeah! Hell yeah! I don't recommend it to new beginners, to novice riders, you know, because this bike is great. It's great, you know. And stay tuned, guys. You know, I'll be having videos up. You know, whether if you're thinking of the R3 or the 400, I'm gonna make a video comparison on that, and more videos of the 400 and the R3 coming up soon as well. So do stay tuned. You know, do subscribe, hit that bell button, and you get to get notifications when I post. Right? If this is something that interests you, right? It's gonna help the channel a lot. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Woo! It's getting cold.